Welcome to NextMatter Tutorials. Today we'll look at workflows and instances and how they are different. Think of workflow as a template that defines all the activities or steps in a specified order. The template can then be applied to real-life cases. Each case is an instance. Imagine we run a cafe. We start a complaint workflow whenever a client creates a ticket in our ticketing system with name and surname of this customer and details of the complaint. Now, when Henry Smith creates a ticket saying he's not happy with the coffee we served, this creates a specific instance listing this customer's complaint. Another instance will be created when John Blake creates a ticket complaining about the color of the chairs we have. To sum up, workflow is a template and an instance a real-life application of this template. If you like this tutorial, visit us at nextmatter.com.